In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Telegram cache. Clearing the cache is a quick way to free up storage on your device without losing your chats or media in the cloud. The cache is just temporary files. Telegram saves locally, so photos, videos, and stickers open faster. Over time, those files can take up a lot of space. When you clear the cache, Telegram removes those temporary copies from your phone, but your messages and media remain safely available to re-download from Telegram's servers whenever you need them. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Make sure the app is updated so the screens look similar to what I describe. If you're on Android, look for the menu icon at the top left of the main screen. If you're on iPhone, you'll head straight to the Settings tab at the bottom right. Next, go into Settings. On Android, tap the menu icon and choose Settings from the sidebar. On iPhone, just tap Settings at the bottom. From here, you'll see a list of options that control your account, chat behavior, notifications, and storage. Find and select Data and Storage. This is where Telegram groups everything related to network usage, media auto-downloads, and storage management. It's the control center for keeping Telegram lean on your device. Inside Data and Storage, tap Storage Usage. This page shows how much space Telegram is using and breaks it down by media types and chats. It gives you a clear view of what's taking up room on your phone. Now tap Clear Cache, sometimes labeled Clear Telegram Cache, and confirm when prompted. This removes locally stored copies of photos, videos, files, voice notes, GIFs, and stickers. It does not delete your chats, your account, or media stored in the cloud. After clearing, previously viewed media may show as blurred thumbnails or with a download icon. Just tap any item to fetch it again as needed. If you rely on offline access to certain files, be aware you'll need to re-download them after this step. Once you're done, you should immediately see your device storage go down. If you want to keep Telegram from growing too quickly in the future, return to Data and Storage later and review options like Media, Auto-Download, and how long to keep media. Reducing automatic downloads or shortening retention can help maintain a smaller footprint over time. That's all there is to it. Open Telegram, go to Settings, Data and Storage, then Storage Usage, and clear the cache. Repeat this process whenever your phone feels cramped and enjoy a faster, cleaner Telegram experience.